Are you ready to transform your ideas into signed documents? Discover how to harness the power of Canva Docs in this easy-to-follow guide. Whether you are crafting a resume, a presentation, or a social media post, we will show you tips and tricks to make your projects pop. Say goodbye to boring templates and hello to professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. Join us and unleash your creativity today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Canva Docs. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canvadocs.com, and then you'll find this page. As you can see, this is the homepage of Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, including documents, presentations, social media graphics, and more. Canva Docs is a feature within Canva specifically designed for creating text-based documents, combining the simplicity of a word processor with the design flexibility of Canva. Users can easily incorporate images, graphics, and templates to enhance their documents, making it an ideal tool for both personal and professional projects. So if you come back to the top here, you will find this. So this is my account, and if you want to create an account, you have just to sign up and write your personal information such as email address and the password. Then you get started and you'll find this page. As you can see. So this is the page of Canva, and this is my account, as you can see. So you have just to go to the docs here, you click over it, and you'll find other page, which is this one. So here we have it. All right, so the benefit that, or the specific that we have in Canva Docs, is the template. Here you can just add template that you want, elements, also brand, uploads, products, and apps that we don't have in Google Docs. So all right, right now let's give it a try. For example, I will add something here, and if I just put it here, this one hidden, you will just select it right like that. And then I'll put it here. This is the first heading. Also, you can modify the text color. For example, I'll put it here on this color, or I'll put it here gray. All right, here we have it. And then you can just modify also the size. As you can see, for example, I'll put here this size. Also, we have here, if we want to put it here bold or italic, for example, I will choose italic. So let's do it. As you can see, and I will delete bold. Also, if you want to put it underline, or you can just put it both of them. And here we have it. Also, we have here the option of alignment and list, and we have a spacing also, and increase indent as well. So right now, let's just come back and modify the text here, or let's say the paragraph. As you can see, also you can here select this one, as I said, and I'll put it here in the size. So for example, I will just put it, for example, I'll put the size 24 like that. I think I will just put, for example, I think this one is better. Then I will choose also the size. For example, I will choose, the color. So about the color, I will select, for example, the black. I think it's more better. So here we have it. Also, here we have other things. So for example, this one I don't want it. I will just delete it like that. And here we have it, as you can see. About the definition here, I'll put it as the second hidden. For example, I'll put it as a second hidden, and I'll modify the size also. I'll put it here, for example, 32. Alright, about this one, it's just a paragraph, so I will just put it here 32 also. Then I will add a title. Alright, this is it. So this one I will just put it as add an italic, and I will delete the bold. So you can use the bold if you want underline and italic if you want, also these three things. And right now I will just come back. I forget here to add, for example, the color, like I put in the same color that I did for the first one. So for example, I'll put this one. Alright. Right now, if you want to, for example, add quick actions, here we have, for example, for a design, hidden, subhidden, body, then you have table, divider, if you want a checklist and other things. You want to have also emoji here. And for example, if I want to add elements, I will just go here and add emoji, or I will add, for example, logos of emails, of phone number, if you want to add a phone number, also other things here. We have also stickers, and here we have also uploads. If you want to upload something as well. Alright, also if you want to just upload, if you want to record yourself also, you can just use this option. Alright, then we have your projects if you want to add something like designs, folders, images, and other things. Then we have here the option of apps. We have a power to create something and other things also. Then we have template if you want to add template here. So it's very helpful because we have other options such as your templates, elements, brand, uploads, projects, apps, and QR code also. So for example, as I said, I will just put this one here and I will come back here and I will just add a title here, for example. That's the first hidden. For example, I will just write book. I'll put it here like that. So here we have it. I put the size. The size, for example, 72. And here we have it. Also, I will modify the color. Put it, for example, blue. And also I put it bold because it's a title. I will delete this option of italic. Then here we have, if you want to also list alignment, here we have it, as you can see. And for example, if you did a mistake or something, you have just to click over window and you come back to the first impression or the first look, as you can see. And here we have it. Also, for example, if you want here to modify the zoom, here we have zoom in and we have also zoom out. I think this one is more better. So Canva Docs empowers users to create visually appealing documents effortlessly with its user-friendly interface and vast array of design tools. It bridges the gap between traditional word processing and creative design. Whether you are drafting reports, resumes, or presentations, Canva Docs allows you to express your ideas in a polished and engaging way. Dive in today and elevate your document creation experience. Then if you want to just share it, click over here and you share it with your friends. Also, you can just public it like that. If you click with public view link, you'll find here other options that we don't have in Google Docs. For example, you have just to create a link with watermark, and you have to create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. Sign in required. So once you click over here, you will find this page or you require or your template that you design right now in Google. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.